So like on this part, right, as you're coming up and you're coming through, yeah, or whichever way it is, that it's this cutting through, and as opposed to here, right? Make sure that you're going up and then letting, and then let the arm come with it. That's better. I think a lot of this stuff is just, it's just slightly shoulder heavy, right? It's a little bit when you're transitioning. Yeah. I thought this was fine, right? The attitudes, I thought you were just slightly behind it. These are so much better. Be careful of keeping that heel forward as you go off of it. So when you're doing this, really set that it's that first one, right? If you can set that up really nicely, snap your first head really sharp, I think that'll set up the rest of it. Yeah.